Every wooden kitchen cabinet begins its journey as raw timber, straight from managed forests.
Precision handling protects the wood long before the first cut is made. Only selected hardwood meets the standards required for cabinet construction. Imperfections are identified early to ensure structural reliability later. Before shaping begins, raw timber must be stripped down to its core. Debarking reveals the now exposed, the wood is evaluated one final time before processing.
Accurate sizing ensures minimal waste and consistent cabinet components.
Moisture levels determine how the wood will behave throughout production. With sourcing complete, the wood enters the heart of the factory. Inside the factory, movement is carefully controlled from the very first step. Alignment ensures every cut begins with precision. Rough ends are removed to create clean, workable material.
Even waste is captured and redirected for reuse.
Staging balances flow and keeps production continuous. Digital guidance maximizes yield from every log. Here, solid timber is transformed into usable boards.
Each board begins to show its unique character. Technology now decides the best future for every board.
Pre-processing complete, the wood is ready for precise shaping.
Now the wood is shaped into the foundational panels of kitchen cabinets.
Perfect squaring is critical for cabinet accuracy. Width defines how every cabinet component will fit. Length control ensures consistency across every cabinet. Efficiency means keeping only what matters. Organized stacking prepares the wood for conditioning.
Reference marks guide every future machining step.
Uniform thickness is essential for flush cabinet surfaces.
Human judgment complements machine precision.
Before assembly, the wood must be stabilized. Drying begins by carefully controlling heat and airflow. Sealing the environment allows moisture to be removed evenly. Balanced circulation prevents warping and cracking. Sensors monitor the wood's transformation in real time. Cooling locks the wood into a stable state. Cooling locks the wood into a stable state.
Acclimation prevents sudden environmental shock.
Verification confirms readiness for joinery.
With moisture stabilized, precision work can begin. Precision machining defines how cabinets will fit and function. Every groove locks future components into alignment. Flexibility is built directly into the wood.
Face frames give cabinets their strength and shape.
Strong joints began with accurate cavities. Mortise and tenon joints ensure long-term durability.
Every joint is confirmed before permanent assembly.
Hidden hardware begins with invisible precision.
Every cabinet is prepared as a complete system.
All components now come together. Assembly begins with careful preparation. Bonding agents secure the cabinet's structure.
The cabinet form takes shape.
Pressure ensures a strong, lasting bond. Face frames define the cabinet's visible structure. The structure is now complete. Accuracy here prevents issues later.
The bond is set.
Only solid structures move forward.
Next, the surface defines the final look. Finishing begins by refining every surface.
Human touch completes what machines cannot.
Clean surfaces are critical for flawless finishes.
Sealers protect and prepare the wood. Controlled drying locks in the first layer. Intermediate sanding ensures a perfect base.
This step defines the cabinet's appearance.
Heat and time harden the finish. Cooling stabilizes the final surface.
Only flawless finishes move forward. Function is added after form is perfected.
Precision hardware ensures smooth daily use. Hidden components control motion and load. Adaptability is built into every cabinet. The cabinet finally receives its face.
Movement is tested before approval.
Millimeters define quality.
Protection prepares the cabinet for handling.
Details complete the craftsmanship. Every cabinet now faces its final tests.
Even the slightest imperfection is caught before leaving the line.
Functionality is as critical as appearance.
Precision ensures perfect fit in any kitchen.
Hardware is tested to withstand daily use.
Strength under load guarantees reliability.
Only flawless surfaces pass this stage.
Each cabinet carries its identity for traceability.
Approval confirms readiness for customers.
Defective units are corrected, never shipped as is.
Quality assured. The final step is safe delivery.
Packaging begins with protection to prevent transit damage.
Secure wrapping ensures safety during shipment.
Straps hold the cabinet firmly in place for transport.
Efficient stacking maximizes warehouse space. Safe storage keeps products ready for delivery.
Transport begins with careful loading. Proper securing protects every cabinet in transit. Products are now on their journey to customers.
And this is how modern factories produce wooden kitchen cabinets from start to finish. And this is how modern factories produce wooden kitchen cabinets from start to finish.
From raw timber to finished cabinets, every step is precision-driven.